Hello, in this video we're going to work on the power to a power, but we will be incorporating fractions. So the rule is a to the x to the y is a to the xy. So in other words, if you have an exponent raised to an exponent, you simply multiply the exponents. So let's do it with fractions. If I have x to the 1/2 to the 1/3, I simply multiply my exponents and get x to the 1/6. Continuing on, if I have a power raised to a power, remember 4 is 4 over 1. So I have x to the 8/3. Leave your fraction as an improper fraction. That looks far better than x to the 2 2/3. Now here, I happen to have two numbers, 2 inside the parentheses. You need to distribute the 1/2 to every single one. So that would be x to the 2/6. Y to the 1/4. So I need to reduce my fractions, x to the 1/3, y to the 1/4. Here, I still multiply in, it's just a negative. So I get x to the negative 1/12, y to the negative 3/8. Negatives are okay for now, and my fractions are reduced. Now we'll combine a couple of steps. Ooh, this is a fun one. So first, I am going to do the power to a power rule. So I get x to the 1/6. Oh, there's no number here with the y. It's assumed to be a y to the first. So then I have y to the 1/3 times x to the 2/2, which is 1, and y to the 1/4. Now I can apply the additive law. So I'm going to add 1/6 plus 1 to get x to the 7/6. And then I'm going to add y's exponents, which is 1/3 plus 1/4, which means my common denominator will be 12. On the side, I'm going to say that's 4/12 plus 3/12, which gives me y to the 7/12. My fractions are reduced. I have 1x, I have 1y, and I am good to go.